I'm Steve Nuttall from ACA Research.
And I'm Ben Selwyn, also from ACA.
And together, we'll be presenting a seminar at this year's AAA Expo in Melbourne.
We want to remind you that there's only a few weeks until our seminar on the 5th of April, so now's your chance to jump online and register for your free tickets.
We'll be talking about the 2019 Automotive Workshop Study and how you can use the insights to build a more profitable workshop business.
It's all about giving you the best strategies to tackle the challenges of aftermarket business, learning how leading workshops, as well as your competitors, are maximising business resources, increasing profitability and generating growth.
So, if you want to find out more about this research and what it means for your business, come along to our seminar at the 2019 AAA Expo.
Remember, it's on Friday the 5th of April between 12:30 and 1:30 p.m.
See you at the Expo.